A Valentine's Day tree adds romance, charm, and creativity to your holiday decor. Whether you reuse your Christmas tree or start fresh with a smaller version, decorating a Valentine tree brings warmth and joy to any space. With hearts, ribbons, lights, and meaningful accents, your tree becomes a centerpiece of love. Let's explore Valentine's Day tree ideas that turn your home into a festive romantic retreat. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What should I use as a tree skirt? Use a pink blanket, lace fabric, or a heart pattern scarf. Soft materials keep your tree cozy and romantic from top to bottom. Skirt ready? Like this if your tree base feels complete. What kind of ribbon works for a Valentine tree? Use satin, lace, or heart-printed ribbon. Wrap it loosely or tie bows to create soft, romantic texture throughout your tree. Ribbon added? Like this if your tree feels lovely and elegant. What colors look best on a Valentine tree? Red, pink, and white are classics, while gold or rose gold adds elegance. Stick to 2 or 3 tones for a balanced, cohesive look. Palette chosen? Like this if your colors feel sweet and stylish. What DIY ornaments can I make for the tree? Create love notes, mini envelopes, or framed photos. Handmade ornaments add personality and make your tree feel sentimental and unique. DIY done? Like this if your tree tells your love story. How do I style the tree topper? Choose a big heart, bow, or floral arrangement. A dramatic topper ties the whole theme together and draws attention to your design. Topper placed like this if your tree's crown steals the show. How do I finish the whole look? Step back, adjust spacing, and add one final accent, like a floral pick or soft bow. Aim for a balanced, warm, and heartfelt Valentine display. Finishing flawless? Like this if your tree is officially love-ready. How do I choose the right tree for Valentine's Day? Use a small tabletop tree or your leftover Christmas tree. White, pink, or green trees work beautifully as a base for romantic decor. Tree picked? Like this if your Valentine vision is starting strong. How do I add lights without overdoing it? Choose warm white or soft pink lights. Keep the glow subtle to support the romantic atmosphere without overpowering the decorations. Lights glowing, like this if your tree sparkles perfectly. How can I decorate the tree with hearts? Hang felt hearts, glitter hearts, or paper cutouts. Choose different sizes and textures to bring depth and movement to your Valentine design. Hearts hung? Like this if your tree looks full of love. Can I create a mini Valentine tree for small spaces? Definitely. Use a small tabletop tree and decorate with tiny hearts, ribbon scraps, or mini LED lights. Perfect for desks or bedside tables. Mini tree styled like this if your small space feels festive. Can I add candy or sweet themed decor? Yes, use candy hearts, lollipops, or wrapped chocolates. These playful touches bring fun and color while enhancing the Valentine theme. Sweets added? Like this if your tree looks deliciously cute. Can I add flowers to my Valentine tree? Absolutely. Roses, peonies, or baby's breath add softness and charm. Use faux flowers for long-lasting beauty without any maintenance. Flowers styled? Like this if your tree blooms with romance. A Valentine's Day tree brings creativity, warmth, and romance into your home. With hearts, lights, ribbons, and floral touches, your tree becomes a beautiful symbol of love and celebration. Inspired by these tree ideas? Like and check back for more Valentine decorating inspiration.